this video I will show and evaluate with you the new AI trading bots provided by some of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, including Binance, Bybit, MEXC, KuCoin and more. We are not going to focus today on the traditional trading bots such as Bybit Spot or Futures Grid and many other ones that I have shown you so many times in my previous videos. Because we will now specifically focus on the AI bots. Let's start with Bybit, which provides amazing welcome rewards for our subscribers, as you can see here. I will leave you the link in the description for Bybit and also for these other exchanges, so you can grab the welcome rewards immediately after you finish watching my video. On Bybit you can find their AI bot here on the tools and trade GPT. It has 3 different sections at the moment: chat now, lens and daily pulse. I believe that they may add even more features in the future because this is constantly evolving and improving. Let me show you all of these one by one, starting from the chat. Here you can ask the bot anything you want about crypto markets, or you can choose from some of these suggestions: market analysis, smart token insights and Bybit product updates. For example here, provide an analysis report on Bitcoin incorporating news, technical indicators and other relevant data. And here it explains what is happening in the Bitcoin market, what kinds of market sentiment do we have and what could affect your decision to trade. Then I can ask here how to trade Bitcoin today, and it starts explaining Bitcoin remains in a bullish setup with strong directional signals and normal volatility, and you can see right here the estimate that it gives for you. Let's ask for the price trend forecast for BTC over the coming week. And here it shows you that the overall sentiment is bullish, and here are also more explanations for it. Now let me start a new chat and I will ask here, how should I trade today? And it starts giving me information based on my preferences, because when you are using this for the first time, it may ask for your trading preferences. For example, do you prefer to trade spot versus futures, large cap versus small cap crypto, so popular versus lesser known crypto? And then this AI will give recommendations based on your preferences. And you can always go deeper and deeper, and especially if you want to get more deeper, you can use this deep think. A deeper analysis may take more time, but it usually gives more comprehensive answers. Let me ask here, should I buy Bitcoin today with leverage? I click here enter, and you can see that it's making a comprehensive analysis right here. And now it starts suggesting for me a potential trading strategy. Open a small Bitcoin short position. This is quite surprising, so of course you should always evaluate if it's worth it. And then you can ask here, why do you recommend opening a short instead of long? And then you can go deeper and deeper and deeper. But let me move into the next one, which is this daily pulse. I asked for Google AI definition of this one, and it said this is like reading 1000 news articles to decide why Bitcoin dropped, determining if it affects your specific altcoins and writing a summary about it and suggesting a counter strategy. So it's kinda like handpicked daily news just for you, or daily trading ideas. You can see here, for example, the AI summary of the daily news, then the handpicked news articles. And if I click here for BTC, it takes me into this lens, and here you will get the deeper dive into different cryptocurrencies and details about them. For example, I'm here on the BTC, and here we have the community where you can read what the community is currently thinking of BTC regarding the news and everything else. And then this trends is very interesting because here it shows real-time data from whale traders on Bybit. So this is a unique information, and I think no other crypto exchange provides the same. It shows how many whales are long and short. Then it shows the 24 24-hour inflows and outflows and Bybit trading volume for this coin and also user behavior trends. So this data is quite unique and I have never seen anything similar from other exchanges. If you want to see the same data for other coins, you can simply type here on the search, or you can click here for all, and let's click for Ethereum for example, here for trends, and you can see as well. Surprisingly, people are more bullish on Ethereum at the moment based on this data. Now let's move into the next exchange, which is of course MEX, because here you can find MEXC AI strategy. And before I show you this one, I want to mention the unique benefit of the MEX exchange, which are of course the zero fees. When you come right here and click for zero fees, you notice that MEX provides zero trading fees for hundreds of different trading pairs, and I have seen that MEX consistently provides the lowest trading fees in the entire crypto industry. And here when you come into the futures and you choose any trading pair, you will find the AI strategy on the right hand side. Normally you will see this trade view, but you can simply click here AI strategy new, and you can click here create strategy, and some of the strategies that it creates are pretty unique. Let's take some examples. It says we have generated the best strategy for you based on your trading habits and trading events. So let's click this one, view strategy now. It is generating the strategy for a few moments, and here it also says it's thinking deeply. And this is what I mean when I said that some of these strategies are really unique. Here is your current strategy tracking Trump's moves on BTC. It says trading pair BTC USDT, trigger conditions, truth platform, Trump posts new content within 5 minutes. If price rises 0.5% from baseline, open long. If price falls 0.5% from baseline in 5 minutes, open short. And it says direction long and short bi-directional, leverage 10x. And it says to set up stop loss and also take wins in 10%. It says this setup is designed to catch the first wave of volatility driven by Trump's posts, basically riding the instant market reaction when he drops something. And it says if you need any adjustment, just let me know. And now if you are thinking Trump signal may not be the strongest one, so let me type here, can you give me something more serious? Trading based on Trump's post sounds too creative to me. So I click here enter, and let's see what it comes up with. And then it understands immediately Trump trigger trades do feel a bit too wild. Since you want something more crowded, let me show you what's already running. A classic MACD golden cross and dead cross setup. This is about reading trend momentum shifts, way more technical, way less news driven, and here it explains how you can trade based on this indicator. You are basically trading based on the indicator called MACD, and if the trigger happens, it golden cross open long, and then also the same vice versa for the short. So you can come here on the MEXC AI and start playing around more. For example, if you want to trade based on the Trump price trends, influencer exposed, chart indicators, or anything else, simply type here and click here to ask. Now let's move into the next platform, which is called KuCoin. You can find their trading bots by hovering your mouse into trade and trading bot. And they have these traditional trading bots like spot grid, futures grid, margin grid and other ones. But then they have these AI powered trading bots as well. In a nutshell, with these bots, the AI, artificial intelligence, changes trading parameters for you on the go. For example, if you have a typical price range on the spot grid bot, this bot can change that price range on the go. Here you can click create, and here you can see initial price range, but it has this auto adjust price range. So then the AI will be evaluating while it's trading that should we put it higher, should we put it lower, and so on and so forth. And here they have also other AI bots. The idea is basically to buy low and sell high as with any trading strategy. For example, with these trend bots, the idea is to catch the trend. When the things start going higher, it it buys and then it tries to sell on the trend. And then of course the spot grid AI Plus, it uses the typical buy low, sell high, but instead of keeping the same price ranges, it changes them on the go. Then they also provide the dual futures AI, which is another AI powered bots. I have a detailed video about all of these trading bots where I explain how they work, what is the idea, and I test a couple of them with my own funds on my KuCoin playlist right here, so I'm not going to go into details on how each of them work again. Now when it comes to the Binance AI bot, you can see that they currently provide this Binance AI Pro, but it's only currently for the people who pay. So they don't provide the free AI bot unlike other platforms. I prefer to focus on today's video on the free AI bots because that's what most people prefer. But if you want that I have a closer look and you want that I buy the subscription to the Binance AI bot and show you exactly the results, ask me in the comments right here below the video and I will be more than happy to read your comments. Then of course BingX provides another AI bot. You can find it here on the top right. You can click it and here AI Bingo it says, and here you can ask review my trades this week, sum up the key developments, check the health of my position, or you can simply ask anything. Let me ask to sum up the key developments of BTC today to get a little bit of idea on today's data. And you can see here what is searching, quite a lot of information, and here is the summary. It shows you the current trading range, weekly performance, and then what is affecting the price. So the geopolitical influences, institutional mining activity, surprising that it mentions this one, and network hash rate as well. And here it shows the sentiment and the outlook. It explains that the sentiment remains bullish and in the long term it estimates that BTC will go much higher. Now what is the best one of all of these different AI trading bots provided by the best crypto platforms in the world? It depends on what you are looking for. In my opinion, Bybit AI is probably the most informative. When you come into daily pools, you get a quick idea of today's news. When you go into Lens, you get a deeper idea of the trends and what people are trading on the Bybit platform. And the MEXC AI is probably the most creative, as you saw, for example, the trading based on the Trump's post on Truth Social or something like that. Let me know in the comments below the video which AI bot is the best in your opinion. And now my friend, if you also want to see how the traditional trading bots work, my recommendation is to set up this Bitcoin DCA bot. You set up the amount, click here create now, and the bot will be up and running. If you are a new user on Bybit, I highly recommend that you take advantage of the welcome rewards as a new user that you will find by clicking right here. And here on the homepage you will see the details of your welcome rewards and you can create your free account right here.